This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we're talking about a few of the differences and the pros and cons between parchment and Silpats. So your parchment paper, available in a wide range of sizes. You can get the big full sheet size sheets of it. You can get it on rolls. These are a half sheet tray size, which work out really nice for us because those are the size trays that we use, and we can cut them down into a variety of different other sizes and also for uses like lining our cake pans. So they're silicone coated, which means they have a nice release and they really help with baking, but I will say they're not as great in terms of their non-stick properties and really evening out that bake time as the Silpat is. These are nice, it's a kind of fiberglass mesh in there that's coated in a really great high-grade silicone. And so while these are more expensive, you'd have to purchase them for each tray you're going to be using in a round of baking. They're reusable and more environmentally friendly. So if you're looking for that, these can be a great buy. You do have to then wash them in between, which means more time on cleanup, but they'll really protect your trays the same way parchment does and give you a better baking surface. So there's some pluses and minuses to each, and we really love having these on hand, and I've had this one for a very long time, probably over a decade, and it was actually a gift from a friend who wasn't using it, so it's got some age on it and it's still in perfect condition. So they really will hold up and last a long time. So if you're going to be using them and you want a really nice environmentally friendly way to line your sheet trays for baking, that's great and always a plus. But if you need something that's a little more versatile and you can need to line multiple objects with it, sometimes the parchment is a great option. And there's nothing wrong with having both. We have these on hand and we use our parchment when we need to. So they can both be great complements to your baking in your kitchen.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.